Right now, 50 million people are in the path of this monster snowstorm. In some areas, they're expecting up to 2 feet of snow. This is a live look at Philly. And they're used to getting snow, obviously, in the Northeast, but 2 feet is a lot.
It is a lot of snow, but I'm checking the FAA's Traffic Control System Command Center.
Yeah.
And for Philly, even getting 2 feet of snow, it's a lot of snow. It put us in Snowmageddon, but they're prepared for this. We're looking at flights, if you're headed in that direction, delays and even arrivals to Philadelphia International Airport, less than 15 minutes.
They get those salt trucks out there early and they start salting the roads ahead of the snow, which makes it melt a little bit more quickly.
They are prepared. Well, that winter storm could bring power outages and stop traffic both on the roads and at the airports.
And that means it could have an impact on coronavirus vaccine distribution. Our Bo Beth Yates joins us with more on first round of vaccine shipments and the impacts that the weather could have on those deliveries.
Well, I'm here at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, where officials are monitoring the storm to make sure there are minimal impacts to flights. So far, there have been less than 10 cancellations, mostly to the Boston area. But the airport isn't the only one tracking the systems. We're also seeing cargo carriers like FedEx and UPS monitoring the storm to make sure their deliveries of coronavirus vaccines aren't delayed.
As of today, shipments of vaccine will have been delivered to every delivery site identified by public health jurisdictions for our first wave of shipments.
But the second round of vaccine shipments will likely be met by a powerful nor'easter. Army General Perna, the chief operating officer of Operation Warp Speed, says he's been having this very conversation with leaders at FedEx and UPS, the main shippers for the coronavirus vaccine.
These two leaders knew exactly the weather report. They had people planning, mitigating strategies for distribution.
Perna says that strategy includes securing shipments and making sure that pilots and drivers transporting the vaccine remain safe as the storm moves through. They even have a plan for deliveries that are delayed.
If somebody is not there because of the weather, even though they're there, we retain the vaccine. It goes back secure and delivered the next day.
Officials say about 2.9 million doses of the vaccine is currently being delivered, but they anticipate about 20 million doses to be delivered by the end of the month. Bo Beth Yates, CBS 46 News.